Hello kids, how are you? A very lovely morning to everyone. So today we are going to do section A of MTP-4. So here it is. So as you know that there will be two questions. First is unseen passage and second will be seen passage or the poem. Now your first passage is unseen passage, that is of 10 marks. So here it is. There was a king in Scotland. His name was Robert Bruce. He fought many battles and won them. But once he was badly defeated, he ran away from the battlefield to save his life. He took shelter in a cave where he hid himself. He lost all hopes towards life. He took shelter in a cave, but one day he saw a spider who was trying to reach the roof of the cave where it had a cobweb. It made 6 attempts to reach its web, but every time it slipped down. He was surprised to see that spider did not lose heart but continued its efforts to reach up at the top. But at the seventh attempt, the spider was successful in its attempt of reaching its web. This incident boosted up the spirit of King Bruce. Then he gained new strength and fresh courage. He fought another battle and was ultimately successful in making his country free. So, this is a short story of King Bruce, who was the king of Scotland. Now, first question is King Bruce was the king of Dash. So, he was the king of Scotland. Now, second is king took shelter in the cave. Third is he saw a spider in the cave. Now, fourth is the spider was successful at the seventh attempt. Now, next is the moral. The moral of the story is try, and try again. Okay. Now, true or false? First is the king's name was Robert Bruce. Yes. So it's true. Second is the king saw the lion in the cave. No, he saw a spider. So it's false. Next is the spider made 3 attempts to reach its web. No, it's false. It made 7 attempts. Now next is the spider incident boosted up the spirit of the king. Yes, true. And fifth is the moral of the story is do not try again. It's false. So try, and try again was the moral. So it's false. Now next is your scene poem. This you have done many times. Now this is first question is this is the poem given in your literature book. So your first question is write the name of the poem. That is The Violet. Now who is the poet of the poem? It's written, you can see in the literature book, that is Jane Taylor. Now how was its color? It was bright and fair. Now next is adjective for shade. From the poem you have to select the word, that is a describing word is here. You can see silent shade. So silent is a describing word, means adjective. Now what lesson does the violet teach us? That is to be gentle and quiet. Now the rhyming word of go, you can write grow. Then array, the sea, the rhyming word of sea is sea, glee, you can write. So B you can write. Now next is the past form of array, that is arrayed. Ed you have to add in array, arrayed. Now past form of grow is grew, Grew, grew. Now last is complete the sentence, that I may also learn. It's written at last to grow in sweet humility. So in this way you have to do. Thank you.